was very naughty of you to catch the bird. Why would you do that? You don't need this bird. Why would you do that, Seraphina? Why would you do that? Why would you catch the bird? Don't catch the bird. And hey, stop biting me. I just saved your life. Quit biting me. Let go. Okay, I know you're scared, but I just saved your life. Now what do I do with you? Can you let go? Can you let go? Please let go of me. Hi, Tricky Man. Let go. You don't need to bite me. I'm not hurting you. Let go. Okay, I know you're mad because you just got attacked by a cute little cat. But you gotta let go of me. Let go.